You can see the beach. This is the best you can get in Lagos State. That's the beach. See the fence? Look at it. Coming up soon. Coming up soon. Get ready. Arrange your cash to buy the best of waterfront in Lagos State. Quote me. Just arrange your cash, as I said, and buy the best beachfront for your resort or for private residence. Soon it will launch. Thank you. God bless you. My name is Jasper, your favorite orator.